Vaidyanath Jyotirlinga, the sacred shrine of healing, is located in Deoghar, a serene spiritual town in the eastern state of Jharkhand, India. Surrounded by ancient hills and forests, this land has been a center of yogic energy for thousands of years.
Devghar, Ravana began a fierce tapas to please Lord Shiva. His devotion was so intense that the entire forest trembled with the power of his meditation.
In reality, Ravana's penance represents the human mind struggling to break its own ego. Devghar was already a place of powerful geomagnetic and healing vibrations, a natural spot where deep meditation was easier.
Ravana went further. He offered 9 of his own heads to Shiva. Pleased by this supreme act of surrender, Shiva appeared before him.
The 9 heads symbolize 9 layers of ego: anger, greed, jealousy, fear, pride, desire, attachment, hatred, and ignorance. Only when these 9 fall, the inner light, the Atmalinga, becomes visible.
Shiva restored all his heads and gave him the Atmalinga, a source of immense spiritual power, but warned him, do not place it on the ground.
The Atmalinga here is not just an object, it represents the purest state of consciousness. Once such truth is grounded, it becomes permanent. It cannot be owned by anyone.
On his journey, Ravana grew tired. Vishnu appeared as a simple cowherd boy and offered to hold the linga for a moment.
This cowherd boy symbolizes destiny itself. When ego becomes tired, life sends a moment that tests your attachment, whether you hold on to truth or drop it.
The boy placed the linga on earth. In that instant, it sank deep and rooted itself. Ravana could not lift it again. Destiny was fulfilled.
The Atmalinga getting rooted means once truth touches the heart, it cannot be moved. Devghar became a permanent abode of healing energy not by accident but by spiritual alignment.
Lord Shiva appeared again and declared, "From today, I am Vaidyanatha, the divine healer. Whoever comes here with faith shall be healed."
The land of Devghar has natural healing frequencies, quartz-rich soil, ancient medicinal forests, and geomagnetic energy lines. Where nature heals, Shiva is present.
Since then, millions have visited Vaidyanath Jyotirlinga, seeking health, peace, and liberation.
Centuries of devotion have created a powerful energy field here. The truth of Vaidyanath is not in stones, but in the healing felt by those who come with faith.
In Vaidyanath, the legend shows us one truth. The real Jyotirlinga is the light awakened within. This is the essence of origin of light. When ego falls, the inner light rises, and once awakened, it never fades.